Stretching across Western Australia and South Australia, the Great Victoria Desert spans nearly 350,000 square kilometers. That's roughly the size of Germany and the United Kingdom combined. But unlike the Sahara, this desert is not just sand. It's a mosaic of rolling red dunes, spinifex grasslands, rocky plains, salt lakes, desert shrublands. Rainfall is extremely rare. Sometimes years go by without a single significant storm. Temperatures can soar to 40–45 degrees Celsius in summer and drop near freezing at night. This is one of the harshest environments on Earth, and yet life thrives here. The Great Victoria Desert is home to remarkable wildlife uniquely adapted to the heat. Here you might find red kangaroos bounding across the dunes, parenti lizards, Australia's largest monitor lizard, spinifex hopping mice, tiny acrobatic survivors dingoes roaming silently through the plains emus, the desert's tall, curious wanderers. And above it all, wedge-tailed eagles circle the sky, riding hot desert thermals. Every animal here has evolved special tricks, from nocturnal habits to water-saving biology, just to stay alive. Long before Europeans arrived, the Great Victoria Desert was home to indigenous Australian peoples, including the Pitjantjatjara and Yankunytjatjara communities. To them, this desert is not empty. It is a living landscape filled with spiritual meaning, sacred sites, and dreamtime stories passed down for thousands of years. Some rock art sites in the region may be more than 20,000 years old, among the oldest cultural records on the planet. The desert is harsh, but to those who know it, it's a place of deep knowledge and identity. The Great Victoria Desert is known for sudden, dramatic weather. Thunderstorms sweep across the horizon with almost no warning. Lightning cracks over red sands. Winds howl over the dunes, shaping them like living sculptures. And at night, the desert transforms again. The sky becomes a sea of stars, one of the darkest, clearest night skies anywhere on Earth. The Milky Way glows with unbelievable clarity. This is a desert where silence feels infinite and time feels ancient. Unlike many deserts around the world, the Great Victoria Desert remains largely untouched. There are no major towns, no highways crossing the center, and very few visitors. It is one of the last truly wild places on Earth, a sanctuary for both wildlife and ancient cultural heritage. But with rising temperatures and changing climates, this fragile ecosystem faces new threats. Protecting it means protecting a piece of Australia's oldest story. Standing alone in the Great Victoria Desert, surrounded by endless red sand and ancient silence. What would you think about first, the beauty or the isolation? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned. More natural wonders are coming every day on Secrets of Nature Travel Facts.